into your Moniepoint Business App. When you log into your Moniepoint Business App, you will see More as the button. Click on More. Then click on Settings. Then click on Reset Business PIN, which is the third option here. Reset Business PIN. Here, they will send that OTP to the phone number you used to register your account. You need to put that OTP. Let me put mine here. It will put the correct OTP. Sets PIN. Here, you need to create a new PIN that is different from the one you were using before. A new PIN entirely. You need to create it. Then you click on Confirm, and that is all. Then you need to turn on the POS machine and try make a transfer again. You will see that it's now working fine.